At number 3, we have the Squatz Adjustable Pull-Up Bar. This bar stands out for its no-screw, hassle-free installation, making it highly convenient for home use. Its adjustable width ensures compatibility with most standard door frames, while the safety lock mechanism prevents sliding or rotation during workouts, offering a secure experience. Built from high-quality steel, this bar supports up to 440 pounds, showcasing impressive durability and stability. The diamond-like base design effectively disperses pressure to protect door frames from damage. The bar's foam grips are non-slip and ergonomically designed to minimize hand fatigue, ensuring comfort even during intense sessions. The anti-skid PVC material further enhances grip while safeguarding surfaces. Its portability and ease of removal make it ideal for users who need flexibility in their workout setup. Whether you're performing pull-ups, chin-ups, or other upper body exercises, this bar delivers reliable performance and robust build quality, making it a solid addition to any home gym.